Here in College Street, Buckhaven, there is a charity called Clear. It's from here that Clear's day-to-day running and activities are organised. Let's find out how it all started.
Hi, I'm Alan. I'm one of the founder members of Clear.
And I'm Bob, also founder member with Clear.
So we're a small group of local residents who set up Clear 10 years ago now, because the place was very run down. It's one of the poorest corners of Fife, and we felt it needed a bit of a boost.
As Alan said, the town needed a bit of a boost. We got together. We hopefully encourage some of the residents to participate, and we can see gradual improvements. So it's on the positive.
We started by picking litter because that's simple and easy to do, and we still pick litter so it is one of the cleaner towns in Fife, maybe in the country. But we've graduated on to do a lot of other things, planting bulbs, running growing spaces, orchards, flowers, and now a lot of volunteers and a number of staff.
The work that Clear does relies on members of the community and other volunteers to help out. As we have heard, Clear started out picking up litter, but now do so much more.
Okay, well, the best place to volunteer is obviously Clear. We were established 10.5 years ago. We work with local community. There's lots of various things we can offer. Obviously we've got the growing space here, but we've also got pallet workshop, bike workshops, media, a variety of things, admin as well. It's a good place to work because you can make an instant difference to the community. Everyone needs to feel they've got a purpose, friendly place, and you get free lunches as well.
Clear is involved with various community projects. One of the most important is education at nursery and primary school level. One of the newer projects was their community cinema, which started in 2016.
So Clear is involved in a number of community initiatives. We help local primary schools, local nurseries, help them plant the gardens, groups like Autism Rock. We've also planted somewhere in the order of 12,000 trees across Buckhaven, and now we're moving into Methil. A third of those roughly are fruit trees. You have this amazing public orchard right the way across our community here. In addition to that, we help support people to experience filmmaking, a mix of people who've got experience and people who don't have experience. And we do our community cinema, and that's very much governed by the people who watch it. Everything from environmental and educational films right the way through to films that you would see at the cinema.
Clear have just acquired premises that they have turned into a workshop for the electric bikes and recycled wood project.
Hello, I'm Colin, and I work for Clear at the pallet workshop. And at the pallet workshop we take old planters to pieces and we build garden furniture with it.
Clear are now working on developing their new growing space in Methil, using the work done in Buckhaven as a blueprint.
Hello, my name is Tanya. This is Sam. We are from Clear. Sam is our project manager. I am the growing manager, and we want to talk about our new project in Methil.
We're basically going to replicate what we've got here in Buckhaven, with maybe slightly more emphasis on getting different community groups involved in the planning and development of it.
What would be like the nurseries, the primary school, and hopefully some other groups who are based in Methil. But it's not always Methil. Everybody is of course welcomed. But we hope because we know there's a dad group who is more than interested to be involved in Methil as well.
The great thing about Clear is its energy and its imagination.
The reason we come here is because we find everybody so friendly and it's very welcoming and it's great fun for all the kids.